Should you keep your home or keep a credit card in your wallet? Turns out some Americans are rethinking their priorities as a result of the mortgage market crisis. An increasing number of people are trying to hold on to those charge cards while risking foreclosure on their homes. Joining us now, Michael McAuliffe, president of the Family Credit Counseling Service in Chicago. Good morning to you, Michael.
Good morning, Alex.
Okay, not a good morning for so many, though, who are going through these financial woes. So can you explain to me why people would choose to hold on to their credit cards if it means losing their home?
Well, I think there's a couple reasons for it. One of the biggest ones is I think consumers are just afraid of not having their credit cards and their deficit spending in their personal lives. They're using these credit cards for groceries, utilities, and they don't want to lose them.
Yeah.
And I think the second reason, would be a lot of people have these, mortgages, they're adjustable rates, the value of their homes declined. They may have gotten some mortgages where actually the balance went up every month. They realize appreciation isn't going to dig them out. They're going to lose their house eventually, so they might as well just pay the credit cards.
How big is this trend, Michael?
Well, we started seeing this back in April, and we were shocked by it. And then just last week, Capital One came out and said they actually pulled credit reports for all their cardholders, and the ones who were 90 days or more delinquent on their mortgage, 70% of them were current with their Capital One credit card. That's a shocking number.
Wow. If you can't pay for your house, though, don't you run the risk of running up your credit card debt too? I mean, it just doesn't seem like there's a win here anywhere.
No, you're actually right. And on top of that, your credit card companies are going to pull your credit reports. So even if you're perfect with your credit card, when they see you're mismanaging your mortgage, you're past due with that, there's a good chance they're going to reduce your credit line or even close your credit card as well. So
what is the impact on your credit rating overall if you fall behind on mortgage payments?
Yeah, any deficiencies on your credit bureau report is going to affect your score negatively. It's certainly going to bring your score down. It's going to bring it down a lot. And your credit report is so much more important now than it used to be. Car insurance companies pull it. A lot of employers pull it prior to hiring decisions. It's used everywhere. Wow.
Can you give some advice on what people should do if they are having trouble with their mortgage payments, Michael?
Yeah, one of the things you want to do is contact the lender. They're all aware of what's going on. This is really a crisis right now in the country. Contact them and tell them you want to talk about a workout, and that's the term they have for it, and often they can make changes to your mortgage interest rate or something for you. If that doesn't work, contact a housing or a credit counselor where maybe they can act as an intermediary.
All right, Michael McAuliffe there in Chicago. Thanks, Michael.
Thank you.
Some new twists this morning involving O.J. Simpson and a reported